wabarakatuh. The Honorable Miss Astirini Swarastuti MPD as the examiner for my seminar result on this occasion. The Honorable Miss Desti Nurdianti SSM Home as a Advisor 1 and Miss Nilasari Dewi SPD MPD as a Advisor 2. On this occasion, introduce myself. My name is Vina Damayanti, NPM 2113100003. I will present my final assignment entitled Analysis of Student Difficulties in Reading Skills of 12th Grade Hospitality 2 at SMK 1 Nusa 2 Bandar Lampung. Background of study. Reading is one of the ways of learning English that is taught as a foreign language that is first learned and understood, because almost all science and technology is written in English. The writer found many students in the 12th grade of Hospitality 2 having difficulties in understanding English reading text. Given the importance of reading skills in facilitating students' mastery of English, student difficulties in comprehending English reading text should be identified. Identification of the problem. What difficulties are faced by students in comprehending the English reading text of 12th grade Hospitality 2 at SMK 1 Nusa 2 Bandar Lampung? Objective of the study: to know the students' difficulties in comprehending the English reading text of 12th grade Hospitality 2 at SMK 1 Nusa 2 Bandar Lampung. Scope of the study: this study was conducted over 3 months, from March 25 to June 26, 2024. The subject of this study is the 12th grade Hospitality 2 student at SMK 1 Nusa 2 Bandar Lampung with a total of 21 students. The object of this study is the difficulties in comprehending English reading text faced by this student. The primary data for this study were obtained through observation and reading text, while documentation served as the secondary data. Benefit of the study: theoretically benefit. It is hoped that this study can serve as an alternative source of information for understanding students' difficulties in reading skills. Practically benefit. With the completion of this research, the writer hoped to be able to provide valuable contribution to English teachers, students, readers, and other researchers. Framework of theories: 1. Definition of reading. 2. Type of reading. 3. Reading difficulties factor. 4. Aspect of reading skills. 5. Difficulty of reading. And 6. Conceptual framework of the study. And previous related study is an analysis of student difficulties in reading comprehension at SMK Negeri 1 Sukoda di Lamongan by Suli Okta Prihatini from Indonesia Lamongan University, and analysis of difficulties in comprehending English reading text at the 11th grade students of MA UIN Sumedan by Dwi Larasati from UIN North Sumatra, Indonesia. Method of the study: the type of research conducted in qualitative. Time and place of the study: time November 14, 2023 to March 7, 2024. Location SMK 1 Nusa 2 Bandar Lampung on Cut Mutia Street, number 19A, Gulak Galik, Teluk Betung Utara, Bandar Lampung. Data source of the study: primary data research, observation, and reading test. Secondary data documentation. Procedure of the study: 1. The writer found the study problem. 2. The writer found the objective of the problem. 3. The study found the framework of theories. 4. The writer selected the data collection. 5. The writer conducted observation. 6. The writer conducted reading test. 7. The writer collected the data. 8. The writer analyzes the data. 9. The writer drew conclusion. And last, the writer made suggestion. Data collection: 1. Observation, reading test, and documentation. Data analysis, data collection, data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion. Data validity, credibility, and confirmability. Result: 1. Observation result. In this study, the observation and reading tests are used to identify the primary difficulties faced by students in comprehending the English reading text of 12th grade Hospitality 2 at SMK 1 Nusa 2 Bandar Lampung. Through this method, the writer observed the students' performance and found the difficulties they encounter during recording activities. The reading test was administered on Tuesday, June 4, 2024 from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Participant observation was conducted with 21 students over 2 days, May 31 and June 1, 2024 from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Discussion: student difficulties in reading skills. This study analyzes their main findings based on observation and reading tests of 12th grade Hospitality 2 students at SMK 1 Nusa 2 Bandar Lampung. The first finding show that students have difficulty in determining the main idea of the text they read. Second, students have difficulty in identifying reference in the text, especially in understanding the use of pronouns or words that refer to specific people, place, or situation. Thirdly, students also face challenge in identifying vocabulary from the text they read, which hinders their overall comprehension. These difficulties indicate the need for better teaching strategies to help students understand and remember new vocabulary as well as improve their overall reading. 2. Strength and limitation evaluation of the study. This study has strength in its comprehensive approach to understanding the completeness of reading comprehension among 12th grade Hospitality students at SMK 1 Nusa 2 Bandar Lampung. The use of various data collection methods such as observation and reading tests result in a rich data and enhance the credibility of the findings. By observing students' interaction with text and assessing their comprehension tongue reading tests, this study provides a holistic view of their reading ability. The focus on specific aspect of reading skill, such as determining the main idea, identifying reference, making inference, locating specific information, and identifying vocabulary, allows for in-depth analysis that can inform target educational intervention. 3. Recommendation for future research. For future research, it is recommended to expand the scope of the study by involving a larger and more different sample of schools to improve the generalizability of the findings. Longitudinal study can track the development of students' reading skills over time to better understand their developmental trajectories. In addition, exploring the activities of different teaching strategies or intervention aimed at improving the specific reading skills identified in this study could provide practical insight for teachers. Research on the impact of digital tools or technology-based learning environments on students' reading comprehension could also be a fruitful area for future exploration. This approach would provide a deeper understanding of how to effectively support students' reading skills across different educational contexts. Conclusion. Based on the finding of the study, there are three main aspects of reading skills that affect the ability of 12th grade hospitality 2 student at SMK 1 Nusa Dua Bandar Lampung in understanding English text. First, 66,67% of students had difficulty in determining the main idea of the text, and seen when many students could not explain the main idea of the news article. Second, 57% of students face challenge in identifying reference in the text, especially pronoun, and refer to specific nouns. Third, 57,14% of students had difficulty identifying new vocabulary, aside from the frequent misunderstanding or skipping of the word. The implication of these findings emphasizes the need for in-depth teaching strategies in the classroom. Teachers should focus on intensive teaching methods related to determining the main idea, identifying reference, and recording vocabulary to improve students' comprehension of English reading materials. With the right approach, is expect that student ability to comprehend and analyze text will improve significantly, supporting their academic performance in the 12th grade of Hospitality 2 at SMK 1 Nusa Dua Bandar Lampung. Suggestion for the school can develop teacher training programs focus on enhancing teaching skills to help students determine main idea, identifying reference, and understand new vocabulary in English reading text. Integrating educational technology such as interactive learning apps or software that can assist students in improving their reading skills independently. To the teacher, Teachers can adopt diverse teaching strategies such as project-based method of group discussion to help students practice skill in determining main idea, identifying reference, and understanding new vocabulary actively, offering specific and constructive feedback to students on their reading skills, directing them on how they can focus more on improving their understanding of text. To the students, students can adopt active learning approach by reading more English text outside of class hour and using strategies like rereading and note taking to enhance their comprehension. That's all I can present regarding my final assignment. Sorry if there are any wrong words. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.